Back to my channel. So today we're gonna check out some slime. Whoa. Whoa. It's sticky. But it's really cool. Wow. It's some red slime, but store-bought slime, so yeah. So, this really sticky, it's getting on my hands. But let me show you how it's...
Well, Alexa, you have to do your homework.
No, I don't. I don't have homework.
What is this?
That's something that we don't need for school because it's almost the last day of school. So, yeah. You guys are going to see it. I'm going to tell you. So, the bubble's like this. You get a piece, you do it like this. Then you do it like that. That. And that's how you make a bubble. Sorry about the lighting. It's not that very good, guys. Myra, I have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. For reals this time.
Isn't that funny? I brought grandma bread and she has this same bread. This same bread? That same bread? Yeah, the one I brought in the bag. I thought no, tú ya tenías.
So yeah.
¿A dónde está? Aquí. ¿En el poster?
Sí, choches.
Te la pongo aquí.
Sí, choches.
Huh.
Choches. Le cierras ahorita. No sé qué el ángel le abre.
Sí.
¿Oíste?
Sí.
Oh my god, those are so cute. Look it. This is for our grandma. A real one though. This is like from a real bakery.
So yeah, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Turn on the notifications. I never say that in other videos. And like this video. Bye.
See ya. Just know I wouldn't mind to be ya.
That's my famous cousin. She's singer, famous singer. Huh? You're a famous singer. Huh, Myra, you're a famous singer? See? So, yeah, guys. Oh my god, this slime is so cool. I've never been that happy in my, life. Like, this slime is super cool. Like, oh, I could do a slime swirl. I'm gonna do a slime swirl. Make slime swirl, make slime swirl, make slime swirl, make slime swirl, make slime swirl. Oh my god, she said she was a famous singer. She is. Her name is Louis Vuitton.
No, fucking not. Beat you up.
Hey, stop. I'm gonna try to do bubbles. The top. It's alright. It's that much. Give me the thing. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it like glossy because it's already glossy. Oh, guys, OMG! This is the best slime I ever had. Well, it's my brother's slime, but not that brother. I have three brothers. Other one is at a bowling alley. I can't show you all of them, but one is here. This is his slime, and one is at a bowling alley with his girlfriend. Just kidding, with his friends, but now his girlfriend because Josue, you know Tata has a girlfriend, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's because we never saw Dad because stop! Stop! It's gonna stick on you! Stop! Stop! And yeah, this is good. Okay. Good slime shop. Bye. Get it. I'll be rich shop. I'll be rich shop. I'll be rich shop. So I'm a scammer. This is a really bad slime, so I'll think she won it. So yeah, let me put it. Baba! Oh, never mind. I'm gonna look. It's a really bad slime, and she said no red, and this is a red slime, but it's really cool. But it's sticky, so I'll give it to her. You know, let's just give her half the container. Ship it, Mom. I'll give it to Angel. A package came. Thank you, my slime. Are you kidding me? I said no red. Oh, it's sticky. She's a scammer. Probably not. Probably it'll just melt it.
I like that.
But it's really good. But it melted. It's really good, but it melted. I'm gonna put my glasses on. I'm gonna try to look like the scammer. Hey guys, do I look like the scammer? I'm not a faker. I'm just
Big fucking chungus.
okay. I'm gonna put it in here. Stop. I want to give it back to her, but I want this slime, so yeah.
I like to do that thing.
A package came. Thank you, Mama. I never actually got any stuff, but it's slime. And my favorite colors were, it has a hair in it. I love when there's hair in it. Thank you guys.
Angel, I like that I just want overtime.